Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's kitchen. Today on the occasion of Makar Sankrant, I'll be showing you Til Ka Ladoo. Okay, but this is not the chicky and the hard Til Ka Ladoo I had shown you last year. Today I'll be showing you a soft Til Ka Ladoo, and the ingredients are even very simple. And let's get to the recipe right away. Ingredients required for Naram Tilache Ladoo. I have taken 500 grams of sesame seeds, that is til, then 350 grams of regular jaggery, it's not the chicky jaggery, that is gur, 100 grams of dry coconut, and some cardamom powder. Okay, so I will be dry roasting this sesame seeds. I'll be grating this jaggery, and I'll be grating this dry coconut. I've divided the til and the jaggery and the coconut, dry coconut, into two parts, so it's easy for me to handle it. Okay, so now one part of the til I've kept it here. You can see how pure white it is, and this I've been dry roasting this for the last 10-15 minutes. Okay, it has got a nice golden color. Now I will take it off the fire. I will fry the dry coconut now, not fry, sorry, roasting. It's all dry roasting because the til also has its own oil and coconut, you know, it has its own oil. Now coconut even I'll turn it into nice and golden brown. Okay, I have roasted the dry coconut to a golden color, you can see. Now I will remove it from the fire. The til has come little cold. I will just coarse grinding. I will do. Okay. So you can see how I have done coarse grinding of this. Now I will do coarse grinding of the coconut. See this. So see that no, this is formed. Should be in the powder form. Fine. Some more left. Now I will be mixing all this. This is the jaggery. I have grated the jaggery, now it's all gone hard with my hand. And little cardamom powder, say a quarter teaspoon. Okay, now the coarse grinding of the til, coarse grinding of the dry coconut. I'll just mix all these ingredients, and the elaichi powder I had mixed, and slowly I'll incorporate this grated chicky in this, grated jaggery into this, and try and form ladoos. It's a little difficult. Okay, I've started preparing these ladoos, but they are a little difficult. One tip I can give you, okay? After you try preparing the ladoos after roasting and mixing all the ingredients. But if you can't do it, just put all the ingredients, mix the ingredients in the mixer again, and then it is easy to form the ladoos. Okay? With your two fingers, this is one nice and firm. So, and on this occasion, let me take the opportunity to wish all of you a very happy Makar Sankrant. Tilgul gya and good bola. Yes, and with this I say bye bye to you. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye friends. See you till next video.